the box is empty in here. There's no cards or anything. So here I have a Queen of Diamonds, and so I am gonna attempt to change this card inside the box. Okay, so I'm gonna put it inside the box. It was Queen of Diamonds. Now I'm gonna snap my fingers. I'm a terrible snapper, but that doesn't matter because it just changed. Okay, so I just put the Queen of Diamonds in, and now it is a Jack of Clubs. Stick around for a tutorial. Okay, for this trick, all you need is a deck of cards. It doesn't even have to be a full deck. This takes very little practice in a box for cards. Okay, so to start this trick, you're gonna show that all of these are different. Okay, so this is a very simple trick, and I'm not surprised if anyone else does it. I'm sure that people do, but okay, so you start out the trick by showing them the top card, but really you're doing a double lift right here, which is where you create a break. I usually do it with my thumb. I pick up two cards, then create a break like this. I'm making it bigger. It's not supposed to be this big. Okay, so then I lift the two cards like one, so then it appears to be one card. You can snap it to, not snap it, flick it, but you have to keep it pretty strong. But then you flip it over and then grab your box to show them there's nothing inside. And then you pick it up again, only this time you don't show them the card, they just assume it's still the 8 of Diamonds. And so you just show them the back and you show them you're putting it in the box. Don't worry, you don't need excellent snapping skills on this trick, but I just do my best. Maybe clapping would be a better approach. Okay, that makes just about the same sound, only louder. I'll love it. Okay, so then you can show them there's no way I could have touched it and changed the card. You can have it out of your reach because it doesn't matter because the heavy stuff is already done. So then you can have any person revealing the card, but either way, they can inspect the cards. There's no cuts or anything because the rest of the deck, and you can even, like, while they're holding the box, you can even cut so they look at the top card and it's not that, so they don't assume it's the double lift. So that way, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching the Magic Dime.